How to link a button to a section in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link a button that you're going to create into or add into your Wix website to a section. And this is going to be a possible way and also a possible procedure. So you're going basically to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to select one of the websites that you own. So if you do not have currently a Wix website, you can go ahead and head over our channel and you're going to search for the Wix videos that are in here. And then you're going to learn a lot about the Wix and also the Wix Studio. Now, we're going to see the Wix dashboard, as you can see like right there. And we're going to click on Design Site at the button of Design Site or Edit Site. Now, once you have clicked on here, you're going to see the website loaded. It is going to take a little bit of time to load up, but it is going to be something that we can bear with. So now what I'm going to do is basically here to create a button, and then we're going to add some sections. So for example, I'm going to add here as many sections as I can, for example, 3 sections. And each one of the sections, we are going to give it a name. For example, this one is test, for example, 1. And we are going to name this one as test, for example, number 2. The third one is going to be test number 3, for example, like that. Test 3. Now, what I am going to do is to create a button. Or let's say that this button is going to be linked. So it is already linked. So let's see here if we can go ahead and add another button, and then we are going to link it to a section. So we are going to head over the buttons. Now we're going to select whatever button that we want. For example, I'm going to have this here. I'm going to drag and drop it in here. And please, where is the button? I do not see it. So I do not care about the grids, but we need the button right there. So it is going to be in here. Now, how we can link that button to one of the sections. So since we have nominated our sections, it is going to be very easy to take the, let's say, the position of each one of the sections. Well, now we are going to click on the link, which is going to be represented with the 2 chains linked up in here. And you're going to see that we have a lot of things that we can link to that button. We have nothing. For example, we have page, web address, sections, or anchor, which is today's video tutorial, top or bottom of the page, and etc. So we are going to click on sections or anchor and select which page. So we are on this page, of course. And then we're on the page. So we are going to see here, as you can see, this section nominated like that. We have test 1, test 2, test 3. So when you are going to link it to test 3, whenever a person or you are going to click on this button, you're going to head over the specific section that has been identified to it. So let's try that on the preview. It is going to be real quick. I'm going to click on the button and it will normally take us to the section 3. This is it. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.